Oh, we got a real humdinger here today. This is a 1968 Chevelle SS Tuxedo Black, and it is slick. This car is detailed, amazing. The engine, even under the car, is glossy. You got to check out the pictures on our website. We'll talk about that more a little bit later, but it's slick. Factory black car, 396, air conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes, real super sport. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale, each one having a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. There's a QR code on your screen along with a link in the description. Either of those will bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, black is not forgiving, but this car doesn't have to apologize for anything. It is absolutely straight, slick, one of the best paint jobs I've seen. So it's a real SS, so it has the domed hood, and this is absolutely laser straight. I've used that expression many times. This thing takes it to a new level. The hood fits perfectly square. The fender is absolutely pristine. The body gaps are spot on all the way down under the fenders, under the rockers smooth. And again, the gaps are right on the money. Opens up very nicely, jams as slick as the exterior. Quarter panel is slick. Right up here can be a problem area. It's slick. No vinyl roof. It was born all black and it's all slick. This is just amazing. The paint job on this car blew me away when I bought it, and it's doing the same again right now. All this is absolutely square, flush body gaps. It's a big deal because it takes a lot of work to make them straight, to make them fit so precisely. These cars have been around the block. There's no sugarcoating that. And to get it to this condition takes someone with a lot of patience and a lot of time and know-how. So again, coming up here, all this is pristine. The doors open easily. Jams are slick as can be. Shuts like a new car. So the body and the paint is amazing. Literally a mirror finish. You could read the phone book in the reflection. You could shave in the reflection. Factory Tuxedo Black, top and bottom. There is a little chip on the inside here. Remind the salesman, if you're the lucky new owner, to touch that up. And then it has the red stripe. It's a genuine option for a 68 Super Sport. It's a decal, and I think it gives the car some real nice pop, especially with the Redline tires. The reproduction Wide Oval Super Sports. The rally wheels are either new or restored perfectly. All the trim is restored. All the trim on the car is restored or replaced. All the moldings, all the around the window, and everything fits right. They're not loose and falling apart. Vent window frames are nice and shiny. All the rubber seals and the fuzzy strips all replaced. And guess what? All the glass is replaced all the way around. The windows roll up and down like hot knife through butter. Has the rear antenna and bumper guards. Again, all this slick, replaced, the emblems, the trim, the lenses. And I purposely left the windows up on this side so you can see how nicely they fit. Even with the windows up, the door shuts like a new car. So all the alignment on this thing is really outstanding. Factory black with red lines. Slick, slick, slick. I got more to show you. Let's open it up. Before we open it, just come and look at the reflection of our ceiling with the lights. It's a mirror, absolutely a mirror. It's even a mirror on the bottom side of the trunk, all gloss, has the stickers. The jam is spotless, has the factory seams, and the factory numbers are still all there. Weather strip and trunk mat are replaced. Completely dry, clean metal with a very neatly applied spatter finish. And I like they went the extra, a fifth matching spare. That always impresses me. So a new reproduction Redline with the rally wheel, complete jack assembly. It's all there. This is complete and extra clean. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. And I've said it before, oh, those are clean jams. These jams are exceptional. The door latches and the weather strips and everything, the sill plates look like new and they fit right. Door panel, armrest, the armrest base, the window cranks, the handle, all that's new. It all fits nice, no issues. The whole dash area is mint. I mean, the bezels, the knobs, the vents. Um, it's a little dark, but it's the roll tack. The tachometer needle goes up and down. That's unique to a 1968. That's an original tachometer. So it has a little age on the actual tachometer. Full gauges instead of dummy lights. All this is mint. Factory air car. This whole control panel's replaced. AM radio works. Now this is a nerdy thing if you're a car guy. This just slides like butter also. Normally they stick or they don't fit right. I opened that and it's like, wow, that's nice. New glove box liner. Look at all this. New manual. All this is mint. Kick panels are mint. Not only is it nice fresh carpet, but it fits real nice. There's not wrinkles. You have reproduction mats. Full set of GM seat belts. Seat feels real nice. All the upholstery is replaced. Same thing in the back. New side panels, window cranks, armrests, upholstery, GM belts, rear floor mats. The rear shelf is the correct mesh shelf. It's not warped. It all fits real nice. There are 6x9 speakers under there hooked up to the AM radio. And then the sail panels aren't wrinkled. The new headliner's not wrinkled. Dome light works. We got shoulder belts. We got new visors, new mirror. And then beautiful new 3-spoke wood grain deluxe steering wheel. Pretty much immaculate inside the car. You know, I probably appreciate this car more than most because I'm out looking at them. You can look on the internet and find 100 cars that look this nice. I'm telling you, they're not. This is an exceptional car. So that's a correct 396, 325 horsepower engine that runs real smooth. Pristine Chevy orange, all the nuts and bolts and brackets and pulleys and everything's mint. Correct air cleaner, valve covers, even has reproduction spark plug wires on it. You can see they're dated and everything. All the distributor and vacuum lines, the choke, everything is all there. The factory air conditioning system's been rebuilt, so it's blowing cold air. It has spring clamp battery cables. All the metal surfaces are finished beautifully. It has the horns, the right shroud, the clutch fan, GM belts, reproduction hoses and clamps, power steering with the correct remote reservoir for 68. The squirters are hooked up. Alternator looks new. Look at the exhaust manifold, just everywhere you look. Master cylinder, stainless steel lines, the wiper motor's all restored. It has the grills and the cowl. It has the hood insulation. And that cowl tag over there does say AA. That's Tuxedo Black upper and lower. So it was born a black car, and 138's in the VIN number in 68 says this is a real super sport. Michael's going to show you how nice it drives now. We'll see in a few minutes.
So cool, this tachometer. It's got to be really rare. I can't remember seeing one of these before in a Chevelle. Very fun to look at. Just gorgeous restoration. But the 396 is sounding good, and the suspension is feeling fresh, eating up anything that we throw at it with no clunks or squeaks or rattles or anything like that. feels very sound, and I'm confident in it. Let's see what she's got. Just like that, we are cruising at 60 miles an hour. Well, I really do prefer that tachometer over the circle style one. So much fun. We do have the air conditioning on. Seat feels great. I love the fact that it's a bench seat. Cuddle up real nice and close to your sweetheart. And that's what I would be doing. But yeah, just a great ride. It's got an original feel to it, but fresh. Very, very nice. Great experience overall, and she did not miss a beat. All right. Well, if you'd like to come down to the museum and take it for a spin yourself, you're always more than welcome to. In fact, we encourage it and welcome you here. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath the car is this glossy. It was body off frame, was on a rotisserie. The floors are pristine, all painted gloss black. So is all the frame and chassis components. All the steering and suspension completely rebuilt. Has the correct spiral shocks, the correct tags and markings underneath there. It does have disc brakes in front. That was an option that was not required on a Super Sport. So it has disc brakes in front, drum and back, all the lines, hoses, e-brake assembly, all that's replaced. Fuel systems all replaced. The gas tank is polished, looks really good. Proper, correct dual exhaust. It's even shiny and clean. Everything about this car is shiny and clean and fresh. You look up at the motor, it's spotless Chevy orange, has the proper starter. Turbo 400 automatic transmission, nice and clean, rebuilt drive shaft, goes back to its original 12-bolt rear end. It has 308 posi gears. It's a nice cruising gear to have with air conditioning. Yeah, underneath the car is just absolutely spotless. All the bushings, everything replaced. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions like how to get your 68 Tuxedo Black Super Sport delivered to your door. You're not going to have another one of these come through here. There will be more Chevelles. There won't be this car. If you like this car, I suggest you move on it. Thanks for watching.